Lagos luxury homes are beautiful. Marble floors, big glass windows, rooftop terraces. Everything looks premium until one small thing happens. The rain starts, the basement floods, the generator becomes louder than your thoughts, and the permit officer says, "Sir, we need one more document." My friend, luxury in Lagos is not only about chandeliers and imported tiles. True luxury is peace of mind. Today I'm going to show you exactly how luxury homes in Lagos are built, where people make costly mistakes, and how to build a home that stays valuable for decades without becoming a regular customer at the repair shop. Let's get into it. Part 1. The allure of Lagos luxury homes. Why are luxury homes in Lagos booming? Simple. Lagos is one of Africa's fastest growing cities. High net worth households are rising. Diaspora buyers want secure investment back home. Prime locations like Ikoyi, Victoria Island, Lekki Phase 1 and Banana Island hold strong demand for quality homes, even in slow markets. And let us be honest, everybody loves a beautiful home with water views, as long as the water stays outside the house. Luxury in Lagos sells because the city mixes business, lifestyle and prestige. But remember this, a luxury home must be built like luxury, not just decorated like luxury. Gold tap doesn't mean anything if the water pressure is sighing like it's tired. Part 2. Understanding the Lagos construction landscape. To build anything in Lagos, especially luxury, you must understand how the system works. Let's break it down. Simple. Number 1. Planning permits. You need a planning permit from LAS/PPA. This tells the state you are building following the rules. Correct setbacks, correct height, correct building coverage, approved drawings. If you skip this step, your home can be sealed. And trust me, a sealed building is the most expensive decoration you'll ever own. Number 2. Building control. LAS/PCA checks each construction stage. They make sure that the foundation, structure, reinforcement, everything is safe. They're not the enemy. They are the people preventing your house from turning into a breaking news. Number 3. Why approval matter in luxury projects. In high-end states, buyers want homes with clean papers. Bank wants clean papers. Future buyers want clean papers. A house that is not compliant loses value instantly. Even worse, it sits in the market for months. Luxury buyers want certainty, and certainty in Lagos is more precious than Italian marble. Part 3. The most common construction pitfalls in Lagos. This section is rich and practical. It's where most viewers will say, I didn't know this. Pitfall 1. Weak foundation in coastal areas. Lekki, Aja, Victoria Island. These areas have soft soil and high water tables. If your engineer designs a shallow foundation here, prepare to become an amateur swimmer during rainy season. You need geotechnical tests, deep foundational piles, waterproofing membranes, proper drainage channels. Luxury means your ground stays still. Pitfall 2. Flooding issues. This one is simple. If your house is lower than the road will teach you a lesson when it rains. Raise your floor level, install drainage channels, create proper slope. Remember, flood water does not knock. It enters like a VIP guest. Pitfall 3. Poor structural supervision. Lagos records building collapses every year. Many come from bad workmanship. Luxury homes need structural design from certified engineer, site supervision, quality concrete, certified steel, proper curing. If your builder says, "Don't worry, I've built many houses," that is when you should start worrying. Pitfall 4. Power planning mistakes. A luxury home needs solar pre-wiring, battery storage, well-sized generator, surge protection, good ventilation for genset room. If your power system is wrong, everything else becomes a noise. Pitfall 5. Material procurement chaos. Cement prices jump, steel prices jump, finish can double. Luxury homes suffer when the owner shops late or shops randomly. Order early, store properly, approve everything before buying. Never buy tiles by faith, always buy by sample. Part 4. How to avoid Lagos construction problems. Now let's talk about solutions. Simple, clear steps to avoid disasters. Number 1. Start with soil and flood information. Spend money on soil tests. It saves you millions later. Study how the street floods. Talk to neighbors. Check drainage direction. Number 2. Follow the permit process from day 1. Have your architect and engineer prepare architectural drawings, structural drawings, mechanical and electrical drawings, survey plan. Submit early. Chase for approvals. Keep everything documented. Number 3. Use independent supervision. The person paying the bills must have their own supervisor. not the contractor's cousin, and not your uncle who owns the construction. Number 4, plan your power like a luxury yacht. Power is the most important comfort factor in Lagos luxury home. You need solar-ready roof, battery room, noise-insulated generator room, double earthing, lightning protection. If you get this right, your home will feel luxurious even during load shedding. Number 5, lock your materials early. Bulk buy steel, cement, tiles, and sanitary ware early. Prices rise without apology. Part 5, building real luxury, design and material choices. Luxury is not just about showing off, it's about comfort, durability, and long-term value. Exterior principles: salt-resistant concrete near coastal areas, good drainage around the whole compound, damp-proof layers, correct concrete cover for the reinforcement. Interior principles: proper acoustic insulation, high-quality door and windows, smart lighting and ventilation, durable paint, humidity-resistant. Finish choices: always request mock-ups, samples, water tests, scratch tests for tiles, flood tests for bathrooms. Test the materials. If it fails in your hand, it will fail in your house. In Lagos, rain, low-quality paint becomes an abstract art. Part 6, retaining value, building for the future. You're not building for Instagram today. You are building for the next 20 to 30 years. Value boosters: clean documentation, energy efficiency, low maintenance materials, smart home features, waterproofing everything that touches water, good drainage, quality windows and roofing. Why luxury loses value: moisture problems, cracks, poor finishing, noise issues, generator vibration, paperwork problems. Luxury is not fragile. If your home is fragile, it's not luxury. Part 7, your path to luxury home ownership in Lagos. You now understand the Lagos construction landscape better than many new developers. You know the real foundation required, the approvals needed, the mistakes to avoid, the materials to choose, the system that makes luxury homes feel luxurious. So your journey is simple. Start with knowledge, build with discipline, supervise with intention, design with practicality, finish with quality. A luxury home does not define by marble, it's defined by peace of mind. When the rain falls heavy, when the power goes off, when life gets stressful, your home should be the one place that doesn't fail you. That is a true luxury. Tell me in the comments, which Lagos location are you considering? Ikoyi, Victoria Island, Lekki Phase 1 or Banana Island? If you want a full checklist for building luxury home in Lagos, comment checklist below. I'm Engineer Abdirahim Mohamed, your construction therapist. Subscribe for more African tips. See you in the next video.